What up, what up, what up? All right, so I'm gonna do something kind of crazy. I want to try GP shift, and to me it's a little scary because I'm a creature of habit, and I know I've just done regular shifting all my life, but I kind of want to see what it's like, to see if it is something that would increase my shifting ability, and maybe hopefully, yeah, just basically that, you know, I just want to try it to see if it's something that I can get, and if something that'll benefit me, especially when trying to get on it with the roll racing and stuff like that. So I have picked up, I was trying to Allen, but I went and I picked up a T30 Star Tool. I feel like it fits way better in there, and it loosened up a lot better for me than the regular Allen. So the GSXR 750s, the GSXR 600s, I don't believe that they don't even come with a quick shifter that's attached here, like on the 1000. But I believe in 2023 or 2022, the R and the non-R models of the GSXR 1000 comes with a quick shifter. It used to just be the R model. So that was kind of the incentive to get the quick shifter with the up and down auto blip, plus the newer shocks or whatever, the better suspension. So on the 2023, it should just be as easy as removing this bolt, connects that, and then literally turning it 180 degrees, and it should not mess with the computer. The computer should know and not have an issue. I know other bikes may have the issue. That is the bolt right there. And it is kind of like a starred tool, so seriously, literally gonna be turning it 180 degrees. So, and that should be it. And then it should literally just be able to thread back in there. I don't want it too close, flush, but essentially that should do it. So kind of what I want to do is I kind of want to test it. So it should be one up, and then it should be neutral 2. Just tested it, and I went ahead and tightened it back up. I just tested it on the street, and literally, I'm telling you, wow, it actually feels a little bit more normal than the other way. Honestly, is just trying to remember that you're going the opposite way. So getting into first, starting out from neutral, it's just you're lifting up, and then you just got to get used to pressing down. But to me, pressing down on it literally feels a lot more natural than flicking it up. I feel like you use more muscle flicking the lever up than you do pressing it down. So I'm definitely gonna get some runs in today. It's really, really cloudy, but I don't think there's rain coming anytime soon. We are supposed to get some thunderstorms, I think starting tonight or tomorrow. So I'm gonna get out while it's still cool and it's not too hot, and actually test it out and get kind of more comfortable with it. So I'm gonna have to put some time in today. So probably gonna go out for about an hour or two and just get used to it. See if I can rearrange my brain to figure out this GP shift. But first run, not so bad at all. I think part of the issue that I'm having though with the quick shifting is obviously it feels very, very good, like over 3,500, 4,000 RPM. To me, it feels a little clunky down below, but it got better with the flash. I'm just starting to think that maybe getting a full dyno tune where they can actually mess with the voltages, mess with the sensitivities would actually make it much better. And I know like More Mafia, they really get into it because you got to have like the Woolwich, the Woolwich systems or whatever that they use to kind of manipulate those numbers and manipulate those voltages and stuff. I don't have any of that stuff, and I don't think that they really can do it with a flash. I think it's more custom. So I think it's more of like you going to get your shit dyno tuned and you tell them like, hey, it needs to be smoother. It's not smooth at all. Because I really don't want to buy a quick shifter and then have to really just go in and do the same thing over again. I know people buy heel tech and stuff like that, which I've considered, but it's just like, is it actually going to fix the issues that I'm having, or am I going to end up having to get it dyno tuned for them to fix it anyway? So that's kind of the dilemma that I'm in. Again, works fine when you are on the road, but you know, lower speeds, it's very, very clunky. That's probably the same with almost all bikes, possibly. I'm not sure, but I don't know. I'll do some more research.